Butcher Reloaded. Hey you guys, what's up? It's me Kayla, and in this video I'm going to be trying to trade for my dream pet. That's like super insane. I mean, you guys, like I have a shadow dragon, a frost dragon, a bat dragon, a giraffe. I have so many pets. And then I'm trying to get my dream pet. That's kind of weird. Like, shouldn't I already have my dream pet? Like, you guys, as you guys can see in my inventory, I have like so many pets, like legendary pets. And then I'm over here trying to go trade for like a really legendary pet. But you guys, my dream pet is a starfish because as you guys can see, let me show you guys on the board. You know the board, you guys, the board that has all your pets and everything you need to know, like about what pets you have and stuff like that. I have every single pet, like every single pet, but the diamond and golden pet, diamond and golden eggs, or like you guys know the diamond and golden pets. Yeah, I have like every single pet. I'm so sorry, like some of it it's missing. I do have them. I just don't have them in my account right now. But I have the albino. I have the arctic. I do have the bat dragon. I do have the crow. I do have the dragon. This evil uni, the frost. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have the golden or diamond pets, but the other stuff I have. And I was trying to get every single pet in the game. Like I got all the commons, all the uncommons, all the rares, and I'm super close to getting all the ultras. All I need is just a starfish. So I've been trying to get a starfish for like ages. Oh my god, this is like a Chinese, I guess kind of server. Let's see how rich it is because I may try to join a rich server because I feel like a lot of people don't have starfishes and like, don't tell me this is it. I tried my best to join the rich server, and then like nobody's here. You guys, it looks like we're gonna have to go join a new server. Okay, you guys, we're joining a rich server now. Let's see if we can get any good offers. So I'll be back with you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, so we just successfully joined a new server, and this one's kind of rich. I mean, I'm gonna go look at chat to see ABCBF Furry Pets, Treating Groom and Candy Cannon. This should be super rich. I tried to join something super rich, because I'm pretty sure not normal servers have like starfishes and stuff like that. So hopefully this one's good. I really do hope it's good. Like if it's good, I'm gonna like be super happy because I really need my dream pet. So guys, let me go ahead and show you guys my offer. My offer is a flat red albino, a fly ride king bee, and a fly ride golden rat. Those are like three fly ride stuffs. That's not, I feel like that's not really a good offer, but let's go see. I'm so sorry you guys, I'm lagging so bad, but let's go see if we can get anything. So here where'd she go? We did have a girl with a starfish. We're gonna say, oh my god, can I offer? Because like, you know, we're a trader. Okay. I hope she does not decline because I really do want it. Let me see. Oh my god. Ah, where'd she go? I'm like lagging so bad. Can I offer? I really want to offer. Please, it's my dream pet. I don't know how she's doing that, but like she's getting her thing to like do these super cool stuff. We're not done, you guys. We're gonna put our flyer out by now. I'm lagging so bad, you guys. I know. For this. Please, 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 can I get this trade? You guys better saying please in chat because I really hope I can get this. I'm literally like saying please, it's my dream. Just saying please, it's my dream. Please. Please. She's not really saying anything. She's saying eh. Oh my god. I'm just like literally just repeating the word please. Hopefully like touches her that like that she really. I don't want to say please, I'm begging you because and I'm just gonna go with it. Should if I have a neon legendary. That's what I can put because I only have one neon legendary. I put a fly ride flamingo. Is this good? We're definitely accepting that. Please. I used to have a starfish by the way, guys, but I traded it for a neon kangaroo. And I'm not really putting it in neon kangaroo, so I kind of feel like this is a really bad offer. What's her name? Like lagging really badly. Oh, she declined. Yeah, looks like she declined and she did not. So she says she wants to put a neon legendary. The only neon legendary I have is a unicorn, and I'm definitely not putting that for a starfish. But you guys, we're gonna go switch servers because I feel like this server only has one starfish. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I tried. I mean, I really tried. Comment down below if my offer was good enough because I feel like it was good, but not really too good. Like, I don't know. I don't know if my offer was good enough. I mean, I did like 3 flower-head pets. Like, I feel like it was good. Why did she decline? But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications. Don't forget to like this video. If my channel gets to 30 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway giving you guys your dream pet. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, guys. Mr. Gringotts.